Howdy folks! Well, Halloween is upon us, so that means it's going to be time to do some more fun makeup. And you guys know me, I know that I love to do fun makeup. In fact, I probably do that more than regular makeup here on this channel, but you know what? That's okay. I think it's kind of my thing. It's what I like to do. So today we're going to do a look kind of inspired by the stuff I got from yesterday from Michaels. Michaels is an arts and crafts store, and I picked up these fantastic feathers. They've got these little polka dots here on the top. So we are going to do a fun editorial look using these feathers that you can easily wear for Halloween. I hope you enjoy it, and let's go ahead and get started. The beak's a little uneven on my lip here, but other than that, there we go. The black is not quite as even as I would like it, but I think it's okay because this is just my one for here. This is not the one I'll wear out. But this might be my Halloween outfit face, maybe. Anyway, there we go. It's picture time. Okay, and now because everyone always wonders, how do you get that stuff off? I'm going to show you. It's really easy. It's not as difficult as you guys think. I'm going to peel off the things that need to be peeled off, all the little appliques. Alright, now for this piece. Since it's all glued together, it should all peel off as one. Pretty much did. Peeled off as a piece, just to save some time when I go to wash my face. Little makeup wipes can get off. Can get off some of it. See, it just wipes off. And you get the idea. Just keep working with it. And what you can't wipe off, you just wash off with whatever cleanser that you use. Hopefully something that's safe for your face. There you go. I'll finish this later. Okay, hope you had a fun time. Here you go, bye.